we are going to understand the access required for any staff. In user management, user list can be used to create the user, which is explained in the previous video. In this video, we are going to understand how to give the access to the user. Now here, select the user or the staff name, and then from role list, decide what role you want to give. But you can create your own role list also, and you can give one by one access from here. Okay, so for example, I want to give access of creating profile, searching profile, creating loan, and searching loan. Okay, so it's just a simple, like whatever access you want to give, just search for a keyword. Like for profile create, I just use profile create, and then here you can click create profile, add access, and search profile or search customer. Just access this access, then loan create and search loan. You can just type whatever access you want to give from this list. You can simply search from here. For example, in profile you want to give access of web leads, so what you can do is just type web and you will get that relevant access here. Apart from this, when I search a loan, for example, I'm searching loan 25, and there is a follow-up tab available. You want to give the access of follow-up tabs, you can go here and just type follow-up. So allow to view follow-up tab, you can give this access. Then in follow-up you want to give update and delete access. Then because once you give the follow-up tab access, it's a read-only access. It means follow-up tab will be shown in loan search but cannot modify the follow-up. So you can simply search follow-up and understand what are all access you can give to the staff. So delete follow-up, update follow-up, review follow-up. So these accesses are given as per the options available here, like update, review, delete. Okay, so this access you can give. So based on the bare minimum requirement, you can give access to the staff, and obviously you will see the button color also green. The blue color indicates that it's a simple activity, records not stored in the database. Save green indicates that record is inserted. The warning sign, that is amber color or yellow color, indicates that there is a modification in the data happening, and red color button indicates that the record is going to get deleted. So for example, here also we can see then this information here, and then whenever you see blue button, it means there's some action is going to happen. It's not going to make any change in the system, but it's just going like navigating from one form to the other form, or to the different system. Alright, then for example, if I click transfer, it's going to take me to the different form altogether. Okay, so but when there is a red button, and obviously for every red button there is a warning given here, so warning given and then can be decided based on that. Alright, so this sort of accesses are given here. So there is a big list of access and you can search from here. So whenever the staff will be logged in, those accesses will be shown there. Okay, so I'm going to log in from a specific user. This is the user I just created in previous video. I'm going to sign out and then access from this staff. Okay, now there is only create profile and web lead here, and in fact search loan option we gave, but search loan is not a kind of menu option. It is basically, it is not a navigation option. So I can search a loan and then I can see the bare minimum details or whatever tab access I have given. For example, main details and follow-up. But in follow-up I did not give access to update or delete. So if follow-up access is given, customer can just see the follow-up and insert any follow-up required. Okay. Now